Hey y'all, from down here in Texas. Now I've spent half my life in Texas, but I also spent half my life up in the Philadelphia area, so I'll say hey yous guys to everybody up there from the University of Delaware, Wissahickon, and all my friends up in the Northeast. I am here to talk to you about mineral rights, and I want you to understand it as clearly as possible. They are the subsurface ownership of land that is deeded in your name. No different than actual surface property. Now for you in the Houston area, I'm a residential real estate as well. I deal in all things real property that are tangible. Now, the mineral rights business and why I've personally invested $144,000 of my own IRA without tax penalty for myself and my kids is to diversify away from the volatile stock market, bonds, mutual funds. The things that a lot of us have gotten crushed in the last 2 years, losing upwards of 30% of our life savings. The key thing here is this is cash flowing monthly passive income with a 15% tax break. We returned 11.3% last year to owners of this property. Now, think about that. That is a cash dividend and return that you can then take, live off of, spend, or turn around and reinvest in something else. So it's not just the appreciation in value of a mutual fund or an asset, it is the actual cash back to you monthly you can then spend. And at the end of the year, you're only responsible for paying 85% of the taxes on that income, because for perpetuity, you get a 15% tax break forever. Now, this is a land portfolio. You are not doing a drilling deal. You are not buying one well. This is on properties, a fractional interest of 19,000 acres. Now, I've bought whatever you buy, because there's 9% that is identical to the first 91% sold, 9% left. That is identical. It is a fractional interest of that property. So all of our returns are the same. It's not like somebody owns these wells on this acreage over here and somebody owns these here. We all own a fractional interest of the same. So please reach out to me. I'll explain it further. It is a great way to diversify into real property away from the market, cash flowing monthly with a tax break, but not have to deal with the hassle of a rental home, the vacancies of a rental home, liability, expenses, changing out carpets, things like that between renters, arguing if the renter broke something or if it was wear and tear. This is what we call mailbox money. It comes to you every month, hits your bank account with an ACH. There are no closing costs. We absorb all closing costs. We file the deeds in your name in the county courthouses, and you just start collecting checks. Give me a call, 832-541-3865. Thanks for listening.